Hi, everyone. This is part two of your class for Friday with Mrs. Deal, Block C. So, Mrs. Deal has asked you to write another student choice essay, but this time you are being asked to create a presentation. And what I want to talk to you about is the LibGuide that I've created here for you. First, this is a great place to start. Look in the New York Times for ideas, look in the Wall Street Journal, look at the other resources that I've identified here so that you can find a topic that you're passionate about. The second thing I really want to emphasize with you is images for your presentation. You do not have the right to just cut and paste anything from the internet that is copyright protected. So this second tab has a group of copyright-free open access images that you can use for your presentation. Any image that you use for this presentation needs to be cited in your Noodle Tools project. So I want to give you some examples here of why you are not allowed to just cut and paste any image off the internet. First of all, it's someone else's intellectual property. So I want to go to, this is a museum. It's the M.C. Escher Museum. And I want you to read with me what their guidelines are. And in this case, the Escher Museum says that everything, all the work of M.C. Escher, as well as his spoken and written words, are copyright protected. Any reproduction of his work, including downloading, is prohibited without the express written permission. So they're telling you right there, you cannot use any of the materials off this website. And it's a great website, but unless you have permission, please do not use it. So I went to another place that I like to go to, and that is the Metropolitan Museum of Art, what I think is one of the greatest collections in the United States. So if you go into their website and you look at their guidelines, again, they are saying that any of our artwork that's under copyright, you are not allowed to use unless you have permission. And again, there's this opportunity, this image request form here. You can ask them for permission. But the Metropolitan has taken it one step further to help us out. And what they've done is they've created in public domain. That means that anybody can use this as long as you give credit to their work. So they've created a library of all their public domain work. So if you go into our LibGuide, you'll see the second link here is the Metropolitan Museum of Art's open access catalog. And as long as you cite their work, you can use it. And you'll notice that there is an OA at the bottom left-hand corner of anything that the Metropolitan says you can use without having to ask permission. So my point here today is that all images need to have permission. Unless you use the resources that are located here. These websites, or excuse me, these links here provide you with images that are copyright friendly as long as you give them credit in your Noodle Tools Works Cited. So I want you to start here today looking for ideas for your topic. And when you're done with your presentation, when you're ready to do your presentation, please make sure you're using only the images that are copyright friendly. Any questions, and if I can help you in any way, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day.